featuring you guys up here. Enjoy the first ride of the day here on Toro.
All right, everybody, we are riding El Toro here at Six Flags Great Adventure, and this ride is awesome.
It's the best.
It seriously is like the best wooden roller coaster on the planet. We love it. All right, here we go. We are climbing this lift hill
At like 90 miles an hour.
Oh my God. Fun fact, this lift hill is probably faster than most roller coasters out there in the world. It is crazy.
Oh boy.
I mean, what are we climbing? Something like close to 200 feet in like a few seconds. It's awesome.
Wow.
All right, here we go, guys. We're gonna round this turn, and I think there's an oh crap moment or two coming up.
Oh, definitely.
All right, get ready for it. Put your hands up if you're watching at home. Here we go. Whoa! Oh my God! Ready? Air time! That is insane! Oh my God! Whee! This ride is absolutely crazy! Oh, here we go! Oh my God! How are you doing?
I'm great.
Ready? Whee! Oh man! Oh! Woo! Okay. Ready? Here we go! Check your air time! And oh my God! Whee! Oh! Woo! Woo! Oh man! Holy crap! Woo! I'm crying. I have to catch my breath. Seriously, like El Toro is amazing.
And that was the first ride in the morning.
Yeah, and this ride only gets better throughout the day. Like seriously, it is absolutely nuts at night. It's like I can't even put my hands up at night. It's so crazy. I love it. Whew, how are you doing?
I'm great.
Yay. El Toro, Six Flags Great Adventure. Come ride it. Best wooden roller coaster on the planet.